Hey friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This vlog is all about a week in my life. It's my first time talking in front of the camera, so please bear with me because I'm still shy. I'm also still learning to be confident in front of you guys. And I'm so happy you're here. I hope you enjoy this vlog.
Hey, feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid to change. The pictures that I framed remind me of when the skies were blue. Chapter 32 is all just me and you, but the ceiling's falling through and all the screws are coming loose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Cause I've been chasing feelings, but I'm running from them too.
This time, we are here at Mr. DIY. Naghahanap ako ng pouch para sa camera ko dahil natatakot akong magasgasan. But sadly, I couldn't find a soft one. Wala din silang masyadong pouch. Guys, nakikita niyo ba yung sarili niyo? Finally, may nahanap na rin ako dito sa SM Department Store. I choose the gray one and malambot yung pouch. By the way, this is temporary. Habang hindi pa dumadating yung in-order kong case from Black Up. Ito na lang po. Papa, silicate. Dalawa tayo. Dito kami sa Watson's ngayon.
Ano yung pinili ko dati na kulay? Ito na lang ako.
Ako, ang bibilin ko naman is this one. Hey guys, today is March 12 and it's currently 7:13 p.m. and may dumating akong parcel kanina. Ito yung new collection ng Easy, yung Cowgirl, and gusto ko siyang i-unbox kasama kayo. And meron silang free makeup melter. So I got 3 of their collection. This is mousse lip tint. And ito naman yung creme blush stick. Syempre, hindi mawawala. Powder blush. Alam nyo guys, nung nakita ko to sa TikTok, napa-check out agad ako. Ang bilis ma-sold out. And gusto ko ring orderin yung fat gloss. For the meantime, ito muna. Kasi ito yung na-order ko na. Sobrang cute ng packaging. Very girly talaga yung dating. So this is the powder blush. So isi-swatch ko sa inyo guys. Tignan natin kung maganda. Ganito yung mga type kong blush. Mahilig kasi ako sa pink blush. So, ganito naman siya when blended. Ito namang i-open ko is their Creme Plush Stick. This collection is Cowgirl. I like the name, ha? Pero pinag-isipan talaga ng Easy. Wow, ang cute ng packaging. Ganito yung shade niya. Hindi ko na isa-swatch sa inyo guys. Gagamitin ko na lang siya kapag umalis ako ganun and mag-video na lang ako na gamit itong mga new product ng Easy. So, ito namang third na i-open ko is Mousse Lip Tint. Alam nyo ba guys, gamit ko ngayon yung bagong camera ko, yung Insta360 Go Ultra. How's the quality guys? Kayo na ang humusga. Sobrang happy ko kasi meron na akong camera. Ito naman yung kanilang Mousse Lip Tint. So, ito yung tatlong product na in-order ko sa Easy. Guys, alam niyo ba, share ko lang, hindi talaga ako nagsasalita sa mga videos ko kasi nahihiya ako magsalita in front of the camera or in front of you guys. So, shy talaga ako sa mga ganun and I'm trying my best na magsalita. Mayroon na akong camera and I'm so happy. Look, ito yung box niya and guys, sobrang cute niya talaga sa personal. As in, ang liit-liit niya lang. And kaya creator bundle yung pinili ko is because sulit na dahil madaming accessories na kasama. So today is March 13, Friday, and it's currently 9:10 a.m. And nandito kami ngayon sa Walter Mart. Bumibili lang kami ng oat milk para sa coffee and sa matcha namin.
Ain't too late for things to fall into place. Let's take it slow on my pace. I heard you, are you on your way? I can't escape. You're in too deep. We're losing sleep. This feeling's so real. My body's calling for you. Don't you know my body's always calling?
Hey guys, today is Saturday, March 14 and it's currently 7:03 p.m. and I'm not feeling well today. So, andito lang ako sa bahay the whole day. Wala akong ganap. Ina-edit ko lang yung vlog na to. And may dumating akong parcel kanina. Ito yung in-order kong case ng camera ko. Go Ultra case. Dahil yung camera ko, dito lang siya nakalagay sa pouch na to. And yung pouch na to, nabili ko lang to sa SM Department Store for only 99 or 100 something ganyan. So, I'm happy dahil dumating na yung case ng camera. Nag-blush on and nag-lip tint pa ako para fresh ako dito sa vlog na to kahit na nilalagnat ako. Ganoin. So, yeah. I-open natin itong case. So, ito na yung case. I got the clear one para kita pa din yung pagka-wide ng camera. And may strap din siyang kasama. So, ito yung case. Ito naman yung sa camera. And sa mga nagtatanong pala kung saan ko to nabili, kasama po ito sa creator bundle. Ito yung quick release cord. Kapag tatanggalin mo yung mismong camera, ipe-press mo lang yung button na to and then hihilahin mo lang to. So, ganito siya. Ayan. Ayan, nailagay ko na agad yung sa pad. And etong bilog na to, nakahiwalay siya. So, para pagka mag-video kayo, have to remove it. Etong strap, hindi ko muna siya ilalagay. Kasi I like it lang ng ganito siya. So, it's all good. Hey guys, today is Sunday, March 15 and it's currently 3:30 p.m. And aalis kami ng pinsan ko ngayon, magko-coffee kami. And right now, nakapag-ayos na ako ng buhok. Alam niyo ba guys, every time na aalis ako, mas nagfo-focus talaga ako sa pag-aayos ko ng buhok. Cause I believe if your hair looks good, you look good. Ngayon, magme-makeup na lang ako ng very light. Itong collection ng New Easy yung gagamitin ko. And mag-i-skincare pala ako ngayon guys. And then for my moisturizer, ito yung ginagamit ko. Of course, Lux Organics pa din. Trusted ko na kasi yung brand na to. Very quick lang. Tapos na ako mag-moisturizer and ang gagamitin ko is ito, Babyholic Everyday Baby Cream. And also, fingers na lang yung gagamitin kong pang blend. Dahil mas natural siya kapag fingers yung pinang-blend ko. Ito yung with and ito yung without. Diba, ang ganda na parang skin but better lang. Next naman ang ilalagay natin is itong creme blush ng AC. And of course, ang gagamitin kong brush is this from Absidy. Super ganda ng brush na to, guys. Ganito yung ginagawa ko kapag naglalagay ako ng blush. Hindi ko siya direktang nilalagay dito sa face. What I'm going to do is to like ganon. Ganito yung ginagawa kapag naglalagay ako ng blush. Yun yung product. And then, saka ko siya ilalagay dito sa cheeks ko. Ito yung with and ito yung without. Ang ganda ng cowgirl na shade. I love it. 10 out of 10 kayo sa akin dyan, easy. Guys, ayan, both cheeks meron ng blush. May mga napanood ako na pigmented daw to. So, onti lang muna yung ilalagay natin. At isang ganun lang. Ayan. Guys, ang pigmented niya, ya. Isang ganun lang yan, ha. Para akong sinampal naman dyan. Grabe naman iyan. Anyway, aayusin ko lang tong blush and then babalikan ko kayo.
I'm not the same since last you saw me. Roommates think I've lost my mind. I kinda freaked out when you called me. And if I sound insane, I'm sorry. But I haven't slept 3 nights. 'Cause kissing you's like sipping coffee. I said I won't ever text you with emojis. I won't be the one to kiss you in the front seat. Back in October, yeah, that's what I told you. Now look at me, doing things I never do. Been over like a fool, yeah, yeah. Addicted to the way you move. I'm breaking all my rules. Look at me, saying things I never say. Dancing in the pouring rain, yeah, yeah. And I know I sound cliche, but I love the way I'm not the same around you. Showing up late to every party. You got me losing track of time. It's been a month of redefining. Now I swear I hardly recognize me from the day I called you mine. And you broke down the walls inside me. Whoa, before you knew me, I was...
Hi guys! I just got home and it's now 8:29 p.m. Guys, ang sarap ng matcha. I will definitely come back. And surprisingly, hindi ganun kamahal yung drinks nila. And ang sarap. I think yun na yung magiging go-to cafe ko dito sa Cabanatuan. So, if matcha lover ka din like me, you should try doon sa Yumecha. Tumatawag yung boyfriend ko. Andito kami ngayon sa KFC. So, andito na yung order namin. Ang in-order ko is flavor shots with mushroom soup. And yun sa kanya, ano in-order mo?
Dalawang zinger steak.
With corn. And naka-large coke siya ako. Water lang. Time to eat. Ito na yung favorite na fast food natin. Ano? No? Wendy's. Hey guys, it's 10:51 p.m. and I think I will end my vlog here na lang.